morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize a wig that I bought off of Amazon. So the name of the wig is called Muokass, Muokass. It's a 4x4 lace closure wig, human hair. It's Brazilian and it has 150% density. The length that I got was 26 inches, and also it's a Swiss lace. So here's the thing, when I first put it on, I personally felt like the hair felt very thin at the ends. Like you can see right here, like it looks very light. So I didn't like how light it looked at the ends. But I must say, after wearing this wig for a while, that I truly, madly, deeply love it because it's easy to style. And all I do is take my curling wand and curl it, and it just, boom, I'm good. Like it takes me 2 seconds to style it. Curling wand, head out the door, I'm good. I kind of fell in love with this wig. This right here is a lace tint spray. It's called Trumatch in the color bronze. That's the color that fits me. This is a great product because this is just easier for me to spray the lace instead of trying to put makeup on there. It's a lot faster, and all I have to do is spray the lace, then spray it with hairspray. I usually use my Got To Be glued spray, and then I just dry it with a blow dryer, and bada bada boom. That's it. It's done. This time though, instead of using the Got To Be glue spray, I'm using my Ashtae Diamond Hold Hairspray. Now I'm gonna spray it over that, what I just sprayed. Then I'm gonna take a blow dryer, blow dry it just to dry it, and that's it. So right here you just see me plucking the hair a little bit because I want to give it a more natural hairline. I have another video on plucking, or other videos on plucking, in my channel, so what I'm going to do is just link one of my videos up above. So right here, I'm just cutting off that thick part of the lace on the sides.
Challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
And right here, I'm just cutting the extra lace off in a zigzag motion. Now I'm going to be styling this wig. So I decided that I wanted to have a nice middle part. For the next few moments, I'm just gonna show me styling the wig. If there is anything that you can learn, that you can take away from this, take it, because I want you to be able to style your wigs so that they look natural also. This is just a spray bottle with water. I'm gonna spray it just to tame the hair on top so I can mold the hair into whatever shape I want. Widening the part just makes the style look more natural, so I'm just plucking to make the part look wider. Next up, you just see me shaping the baby hairs so it looks all cute.
It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. It's worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
This wrapping strip right here is just gonna set the style to hold it in place. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit and I've worn the wig a few times and I loved it and everything, but I decided I wanted to throw some more layers in there, and I also want to show you guys how I curl this hair because curling it gives it more body. So this is how I cut the hair to give it some long layers. Just pay attention, and if you have a wig that you want to throw some long layers in, do the exact same thing that I'm doing in this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below in the box and I'll try to answer it as best as I can. So that piece right there is my guideline, the piece that I just cut, and that's gonna be the guide when I cut the hair. That's gonna be the shortest piece. So just a quick recap. So I created a guideline in the middle of the head, and I created a haircut from the middle back of the head to the right. Now I'm going back to the middle and I'm doing the same thing to the left. because I just put some more layers in the hair, I'm gonna trim the ends. And just to add a little bit more pizzazz to the hair, I'm just going to add face framing layers. Just to give you guys a visual, this is about how much hair came off of the head. That's how much hair I cut off, you guys. A company by the name of Duvolle sent me a curling wand, and I must say that I really love this curling wand. I prefer it over my curling iron. It's titanium and it gives me curls that last literally for days. Inside the box, there's instructions on how to use it. You also get the curling wand and a glove to protect your hands. Before I curl the hair, I'm just using my Babyliss flat iron to straighten the hair. Now, I just want to quickly show you guys how I turn this on. I hold on the power button. You have to hold it down, else it won't turn on, at least for me. And then I push the plus button to get it to 430, which is the highest it goes. So now the number is going to slowly rise to 430. And once it gets there, I start to curl. I'm ready to begin. So to start, I'm just putting the hair in half and clipping one section out of the way so that I can curl the one side before I move on to the other side. Notice how I'm taking small sections as I'm curling the hair. You can take chunkier sections, but I find that when you take smaller sections, the curls last so much longer. I'm curling the hair all in the same direction, away from the face on one side, and once I get to the opposite side, I do the same thing, only going to the opposite side, but still away from the face. So you guys, this is the finished product. So whenever I'm ready to wear this hair, what I do is I put it on and then I use my fingers to finger comb it.